Hi, today we're gonna be making poppy seed sweet rolls. These are memories from my childhood, really. I used to eat them for breakfast, maybe with a little bit of butter or a little bit of honey. Recently I was craving them and I decided to make them today, so I hope you enjoy this recipe and you'll try them yourself. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.